General McChrystal. Thank you for your service on battlefields from Iraq and Afghanistan and on this battlefield. So in just a few moments, you're going to get to meet 72 ServiceWorks Vistas. And they will take the stage and take a pledge. The pledge will end with, "I will get things done for America." As Ed said, ServiceWorks is a part of City's incredible Pathways to Progress effort. In fact, it's a national partnership, a cross-sector partnership between City Foundation, the Corporation for National Service, and Points of Light. The program uses service as a strategy to help Opportunity Youth build 21st century skills, yes, to develop their professional networks, yes, and also to exert their leadership in their communities. So far, the effort's engaged 7,000 young people, and those young people have led 10,000 community volunteers. They serve in programs like The Door, right here in New York, in programs in LA, yes, hometown fans there, in programs from LA to Miami, and many, again, 14 cities in between. Recently, we had a one-day boot camp in Houston, and it was just a microcosm, a glimpse into what happens throughout the program all year long. 60 young people, Opportunity Youth, came together in Houston through a partnership with the White House, the Summer Youth Opportunity Effort, and also the Houston Mayor's Office. They were met with 60 success coaches, many of them city volunteers, local community members. And on that day, they used the principles of project management to plot out their futures. They set the goals for what they want for themselves. They mapped out the steps that it would take to get them there. And with their coaches, they planned out what they would need to do to take one big step toward their goals. And in many ways, that's exactly what happens every single day with the scholars and the Vista and the coaches and the professional volunteers, the city volunteers and others who come in to work with and coach young people toward their most self-actualized future. We are so proud to be a part of this effort. We are continue to be incredibly thrilled to be in partnership with the Corporation for National Service and to get to be a part of the journeys of these young people and also the amazing AmeriCorps Vista that you will meet in just a few moments. So to get that part of the program underway, I have the pleasure of getting to introduce to you someone who, of course, needs no introduction. She is the champion of our movement. She has supercharged this movement. She has redefined what service looks like in America. She has grown national service. She has brought more of us, more people, more institutions, more companies, more nonprofits into the arena to fight for America, for opportunity for all. Of course, I'm talking about Wendy Spencer, the head of the Corporation for National Service. You know that she is a dynamo. You know that she is a fearless leader, an enthusiastic champion. You know that no one can say no to Wendy, and that has served our movement well. She's also, as I am very proud to say, a sister in service. So without further ado, I give you Wendy Spencer.